Alright. Let's choose the correct scene, and I have the background on, as I always forget to turn that off. It's wonderful, isn't it? Let's do this. There we go. No background. Yeah, Chris. It is animated for me, as you can see. It's jamming. I am not quite sure what is going on. One second. You only use better Twitch TV. But I work with stuff like Cat Jam and Rat Jam. I'll try just refreshing the page, maybe. I don't really know what could be wrong. Also, let me see if we can clap. We can. Cool. Yes. So last time we started using the Unity recorder. We haven't recorded anything yet, but I will probably do and upload to the Discord. We keep momentum through transitions, so that's cool. At least the horizontal ones. I think we are doing it through the vertical ones as well now, since we are disabling the gravity. Not disabling, we're just not applying any gravity when you go through a transition. And we started creating state machines for the enemies, and we created a slime. There are some issues with the slime, like it doesn't stay on the ground. So today I was thinking that we will keep the ground on the floor. Yeah. We'll keep the slime on the floor. And yeah, that is it. That's what I'm going to do. These will be bonus. Let's call this bonus 1. I don't think I'm going to get there. Bonus 2. But I want to your slime doesn't fly. Your slime? And I want a third task, which is the next enemy. The next enemy is one of those from Super Metroid. What are they called? The ones that are kind of just crawling on the ground. See if I can find an image of it. That's Facebook. That's not where I want to go. I don't know what they're called. But here we have all the enemies, so we can probably see it here. What up, Dram? I think I changed the angle of my camera a little bit because it's a little bit too high. So I want to... This is not all enemies. We don't have the one... The crawler is what I want to call it. What is it called? Here, maybe? Let's see. Those spiky boys. Oh. Spiky boy from Super Metroid. Metroid. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to start with. So, what do we... what did I say? Make sure the slime doesn't fly. Also gotta do one thing. Okay. The slime should be... I need to get back into this. I haven't opened the project since last stream. Web states and the state machine from the entity data. I was thinking that we should probably add a collision out here. So we have a collision script that we're running, and no, it shouldn't be out here. But should we put it on the states? Would that be weird? But then again, the states is not what's taking damage and stuff, so I probably should put it in the enemy base, and the enemy base is not what it's going to be called. So we are in enemies, and let's make a normal enemies folder. And here I'm going to add what do I call it? Slime enemy. Okay, so slime enemy. And slime enemy will inherit from enemy base. And I think enemy base will decide the collision. Or the enemy base should just handle the collision. So we have custom collision calculation. And I knew this here, what do I need? The object size, right? So in a week, I need to set the size. So we have a serialized field. Up to 2, which is the object size. And we initialize this. Cool. Well, that's it. Fantastic, your scripting got logged out. I'm sorry. But is it working now? Oops. That's not what I write. It's like this. Oh, it doesn't. I'm sorry. But as maybe you saw that on here, it's animated. For me at least. So that's good. What up, Jocelyn? How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. I'm feeling kind of slow today, actually. It's going very, very slow. I'm thinking of how to do things. But I'm also yeah. Okay, so let's add a protected void run collision. I'm working on the enemies, and the slime needs to not fly when it's attacking or when it's chasing the player. And the way to do that is, well, the way I'm going to do it is add collision to it. Currently just walking between the waypoints. So I'm making an enemy base script that will just handle collision. So this will take a vector 3 position, and we'll kind of just do yeah, my head is kind of slow today. I got up extra early to work on the YouTube video, or the tool I'm using to make the YouTube video. I'm actually going to check my I was going to say player, but no, the box entity. Liftable object. Because here we should have collision. right? Yeah. Or inside throwable object. This is how we do with the collision on enable and on disable. Let's just copy this. And have protected virtual void on on ground collision. Takes a custom collision, or yeah. And then I'll do the same for on the wall collision. What's wrong with this one? All right, it's ceiling collision, and then I will handle this in each script. And I'm thinking about trying my hand at. Is that something you say? Trying to draw stuff. We'll see how that goes. Gravity. And that would not be a void either, it would be a vector 3 position. And we need a gravity as well. Custom gravity. Gravity needs a few more fields though. One of them is fall speed. Usually 40. And a max fall speed. What else? Gravity. Oh, that's it. Fall speed and max fall speed. That is the values I usually set, I think. Yeah. Maybe it's 2040. Probably. Okay. We got collision, we got gravity that we are running here. Collision dot ground collision. Ground position. We are not handling a bounce. Okay, previous position on horizontal collision C. I was in here, horizontal collision. Did we need a previous position? Alright, we do. Enemy base will have a protected vector 3 previous position. And previous position should be set every frame. So I should just send in previous position. And then each child will have to deal with it. Yeah. And then we can make it nicer. So header, collision, header, fall, gravity. Cool. Now when we have the slime enemy, which is is inheriting from the enemy base, we should We should see it in here. So let's open the slime enemy and add the slime enemy component. And let's remove the enemy base. This will probably be like 0.5 and 0.5. No abstract. Well, on these, you mean? On my collisions? We could make it abstract, but we might not always, well, I guess abstract is better. But we might not always want collision. If you think about the Medusa heads from Castlevania, then they wanna fly through walls. Or the big Metroids in Metroid. But then I just don't have to do anything in that class, so that kind of makes sense. But we will use them in pretty much every other enemy. The only thing is that will just look like this if we're not using it, and that doesn't really matter. Okay, so in update we'll then do position is form position, and then we'll do run gravity. Run is a bad word. And a calculation. A collection, I mean. Then we need previous position. So I'm going to save a variable here and the previous position. And I think that works. I could just do this. Yeah. That means we should have gravity and collision now. Maybe. I wonder what happens now if we just run this. Will it collide with the ground all the time? We'll see. Seems like it's on the ground. It sees me and it's not flying up. It's kind of chasing us. It is bouncing a little bit, and I think that's because well, that is because we're using the move towards. And I think my slime enemy is updating before my states. Let me just see if we can. I want to see if this makes a difference. Is it enemies? Just want to see if this makes a difference. But I might run the state machine through the enemy base. It is trying to move up to me. I wonder, should the enemy state machine be run through the, like, it could be its own script, but instead of doing the updates from here, we could update it from the enemy base. And then we could also, and we could run this first, the states. Then we can run the collision and we can set the position. So in my data, enemy state there, instead of having the transform, we would have a vector 3 position here. And when we initialize, that would be data as transform position, would be the starting position. I think that's better. So in my enemy base, I'm going to have an enemy state machine. And I'm just going to do a get component. And with updates, we just do state machine, update state machine. And in the state machine, could I get the data? Yes, we can get data. So data, state machine data position. If I run this in enemy base, I would have to care about that in the slime enemy as well when I run the update, and always do the always have to do the base update. Then my thought is, should I, because I will always update my state machine. I have a couple of options. I could move this into slime enemy, but that feels bad, because then I would have to do that in every enemy I'm getting. And then I could also make another. I could make another abstract, like early update and late update. And then I would run it like this, late update. What dependency in update? Well, I'm just thinking what the best way would be. Because we are inheriting a slime enemy inherits from enemy base. And I want to update state machine every frame. Always. So I'm thinking if I should just move it into here. Or if I should make some full solution for it. What is all good for now, at least. So state machine will get the position. I could also have just another protected method in here that I call that will use state machine stuff, but I also need to set previous position every frame, I think. Let's go with this. If we are updating it from here, we should get the position and why they are run from the outside? Because they are not always going to be run. State machine will always update. But gravity, if you have a flying enemy, you're not running gravity. And if you have a Medusa head or a Metroid from StateMachines or Metroid, they do not have a wall collision. They don't have any collision apart from the player. So that's why I'm running them explicitly, because we might still want to have a collision but not gravity. For the flying, like the diving angels I have right now, I have no gravity, but I have collision when you hit stuff that I react to, but no gravity. So if I made that enemy, then I wouldn't have gravity on it. I'm just preparing for the future, so I don't build myself into a system where I have to then change everything. That is my thought. And if we run this now, hopefully, we are going to have a lot of errors. Since we are... Just grab the position instead of the transform position. Attack transform. Let's just make a call it back position for now. We're just using the slime position anyway, currently. There's one more arrow. All the breakpoints. Am I blind? Oh, maybe it's a false error. What up, Abdul? How are you? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Are you having a wonderful day? I am trying to make my slime not fly. It's such a cute cloud. It's dead. Hello? Me? Oops. Now why is the slime dead? So where are we? Slime enemy. We should update the state machine. The cube that follows me, it's my attacking cube. You can attack. You can throw it. When it's on the ground, you can stand on it and you can jump with it. And when you throw it, you can also ground pound from there. So, yeah. It is your personal little cube. But now we need to figure out why the slime is dead. I did not get any errors. That is good, I think. Which slime? This slime enemy. It's a circle, but it's a slime. It will be a slime in the future. So, did I remove the update from here? Yes, I did. Oh, I see the issue here. We need to set the position back into the state machine. Else it would always use the starting position it has. Because now we're just running the state machine, taking the position, and it's still dead. I just want to see if we have a position here, 132.48. 132.5. One 167, 132.5. So we are
the last metroid is in captivity.
Continuously colliding with the horizontally with the ground.
The galaxy is at peace.
Or horizontal collision, yeah. State machine doesn't own position. Maybe I should send position into the state machine. But yeah, it owns position currently. But it shouldn't be a problem. Does it matter that the state machine knows the position? You ask why it's not the states? States are not one calling updates on physics. I was thinking about this as well. And maybe they should. But I didn't want to implement collision in every state. Thank you for the clap, Hadram. Clap, clap. And I was thinking about how to do it in a good way. And then I thought, well, maybe the object owns the physics collision. But it's kind of, as you're talking about it, I'm still thinking. I'm not sure how to... Because it would be a lot better to run the collision in each state. So each state could handle the collision and gravity as it wants. But nested or different state machines as well for different things, yeah. You could. But wouldn't... I've never really worked with state machines before. I just decided to make one. Or well, I have, but it was many years ago. I'm kind of just doing what I assume a state machine is. It was 3,000 years ago. It was me, the dinosaurs, and 2 aliens. Cast it into the fire. Destroy all man tails. So I just don't know. Like, we could have a state machine for the physics, I guess. It feels weird though. But a tiny state machine that just that's the state if it's grounded or airborne or 2 states. It's kind of bad, I think. I mean, like, each state do have the enemy state, which could run the gravity. And collision, I guess. Oh, well, it could have a method doing it. We could just move it in here. Would that make sense? But that makes the enemy state handle more than it should. It should just handle the state, it shouldn't handle everything. I just want to try something with the slime enemy. Let's add this back. Let's go to the slime and let's increase the size of it. And also let's open LTK and move the slime up a bit so it falls onto the ground. Well, now it's on the ground at least. Or should I use different physics for enemies? Like, we could use rigid bodies instead. No. I don't think so. No. I see that Takrus pinned a message. I think you should keep to your own physics once you start. Yeah, same. Just wondering. One clicking. Bad. Just a bit confused as to why it's not working. The enemy patrol state shouldn't have anything now. We're setting the data position. And for some reason, I think we are having wall collision like all the time. Yeah. we have 2 slime in it? No? Oh, it's colliding with both left and right wall, yeah. And this is so weird. Because both these should not be the size of the objects. Let's try and do the ground collision first. We still have wall collision, so just gonna try and do this. Because the previous position has been troubled before. I just want to see if it's... No. With a state machine, enemy state machine, when it starts, we initialize data. Data is transform position. All good. We run the update. We are in patrol. So we should be moving, but the problem is we are having wall collision. Oh. Can anyone spot at least one issue here? I know I was tired, but this is just amazing. I'm getting the new position from the state machine, and then I just set the position to the previous position. Genius. Still a wall collision, but it's moving. Now, why is it having wall collision all the time? Or did I miss something? Wall collision, left, right collision. No, we initialize with object size, so I do not understand. Why we have that. It sees me, it chases me. Still trying to jump up from the ground. But the collision is not doing a good job there. Oh well. It shouldn't really try to do that. In general, because the patrol state that I have shouldn't be we're moving towards target, but I should kinda have a target position. X is positioned at X. The problem with that though is that it will try to attack here. So we would have to make another target being moved towards target. It would be target position, and then we set the move towards target to be the X, to be positioned at X. Would that be why it's collide? No, it shouldn't collide on the side. Since we are running the ground collision first. Oh, X, that's why. Also, why haven't I moved my spawn point down here? Alright, that's not in patrol, it's in chase. I'm going to steal that and have target position here. They're like A-star pathfinding or any other good pathfinding for side scrollers. Now chasing me and it's not popping up and down. That's good. But the thing is, we're having wall collision, are we? We're not. I am probably being bamboozled by my own code or my own calculations. We're not having collision every frame. There is no issue with my collision at all. Oh. Feels bad, man. So at least the slime isn't bouncing anymore, and we have collision. And I wouldn't really say that the state machine is owning the position. I'm just using the data position to send it in. I could switch it to over here and just set it at the start. The state machine is just handling the position. It's not owning it. Okay.
This is a medley from Mega Man 3. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email me at mcmustard@hotmail.com.
So is that what I was going to do? Make sure slime doesn't fly? Yeah, that's kind of... Should we try our hands at drawing? That would be interesting. And learning how a sprite is working. Because I don't really know. And if I do, I also gotta fix my OBS for this. With the advanced scene switcher, I need to add the this macro. Yeah. I think that's good if I do this. Cool. It's so white. And it's tiny. Can you... Cool. I think this is better for stream. Cool. But I am going to take a small break before I start working on art. Because we made sure Slimy doesn't fly. I will be back in a few minutes. I'm going to make a cup of tea. I'm back. So, how to A sprite? Are we going at 32? I think we are. Square pixels? Yeah. So first, we need a pixel art palette. And how many now? I am terrible at this. So, a sprite indeed. I am trying to learn how to. Well, I'm going to try and make a slime. That is what I'm going to try and do. So I kind of need to know the palette first. It's exciting. Let's hope so. I'm not sure you will think it's exciting after you've seen what I create. It's going to be something. But do you have any recommendations for a palette? Also, what up, Woomy? How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Because if I just wing the palette, it's going to be even worse. Maybe I should choose the amount of colors. 8. Is that good? Exact. You won't lie. I rarely use palettes. Usually look for inspiration of what I'm trying to draw on Google and choose colors based on that. I'm just terrible at colors in general. So that wouldn't work. I'm great. I'm great. I started stream a bit earlier today, and hopefully we can make a slime move. Is my goal. Is 8 colors enough? Do I need more? Should I have like 16? I don't even know how things are going to look. The slime is for my game, yes. So I have made a slime here. The slime enemy, it moves. So that's what I'm going to try and make. It can move between these patrol points. When it sees the player, it moves slightly faster and goes towards the player, and when it reaches the player, it attacks. So I kind of want to do at least a slime today. Image. Perfect, here we got it. I'm making a green slime, yeah. I like warm as a tag. Lime 16, perfect. Links are allowed, yeah. I don't think I have anything that blocks links. So, go ahead. So the palette, it's just a green slime. You can drag the picture into a sprite. Use the eyedropper tool to get the colors. Cool. Yeah, sure. Let's try that. Look at all my karma. Cool, huh? can I just drag this image in? Yeah, I can. Oh, I took the whole... do we have a one tool, or do I just have to... the W isn't the... learning things. Move the tab over so you have split screen, like this. Cool. But it replaced all of this. Can I just... What up, Roku? How are you doing? This is where everyone is, teaching me how to draw. How do you replace the colors? Because I mean, it automatically added all the colors, but there's way too many ingredients or way too many versions of the color. Can I just... Oh. A palette, yeah, but I kind of wanna... Or pick is usually I, right? How do you save a color? This one? Ah, cool. Got it. Thank you very much for the help. The thing now though is that's kind of what the slime I had in mind. In my head. But we could make another one. It's B for brush. Alright, that's the palette. Let me... That's not where I wanna... Maybe a cloud slime. Let me do this first, and I will just save the palette, find where I should...
We're heading out. All aircraft report. This is Peppy. All systems go.
Flippy here. I'm okay.
Salto here. I'm fine.
One moment. Okay. There we go. So now I should be able to load the palette. Cool. A cloud slime? You mean a... How do you... Let me... Oh, do you do this for... Cool. I'm learning. If we do copy the cloud, we do have this shape. So now let's see, do we have a select? Oh, well, like a box select. Layers, 200 layers. I have a timeline. There we go, I have a layer. So, M. Oh. Perfect. So, perfect shape. Let me actually look how what the cloud is looking like. 'Cause I don't have a good view of it right now. Yeah, it's too small. That's the problem. So I need to open up my CapCut. Perfect. Thank you, thank you. Hit the nose. Alright. This is perfect. So let's make this in another way, actually. Do we do this? Can you... Oh, that's how you increase the size of it? Cool. Really good at this. Trust me, guys. How do I even get the shape? It's too too small. It's a bigger brush. We could do like this. That is true. Like I'm not getting the... What up, Catspot? I am making a cloud, and I am really good at it. As you can see, it's a cloud. Perfect. Is there an outline tool? Like a one select. See? Perfect. This is not how the cloud is looking like. FX outline. Cool. It doesn't feel bubbly, it feels kind of not bubbly. It feels like something completely different. But it's kind of like a cloud if it was white, you know? Probably a... Where can I find all the tools? Oh, right here. Cool. Paint bucket. If it was white, it's kind of almost a cloud. But I do spot a major issue though. This should just go in. I'm learning. But this part is not good. Oh well. It's beautiful. And the problem with making it the cloud though is it's not going to work for a slime. As kind of the physics of a slime is that it just all on the ground. There is nothing that would keep it up here. Happy Friday, Captain Coder. You are in the best stream hover slime. Yeah, true. The best stream right now. Where is the light coming from though? Thank you for all the claps. Dude, that's weird. That's not how it works. That's better. There's light source on your other sprite. I don't have any other sprites. That's the thing. This is good also. I'm hiding the preview. We just copy this one. Might be cute. Can't see the sub. Luxidio, thank you very much for the follow. I'm glad you enjoy my beautiful art. I don't like how that looks. Thank you for the follow, Rocky. Thank you, Captain Coder, for the gifted sub. Oh, this guy, a rich guy. On another layer, yes, that is what I was supposed to give them. Cool. Thinking as well. I'm glad you and I are thinking the same. Do I just switch like? Am I on the other layer now? Yes. I shouldn't do that. I should do this. Let's go to this layer and just fill this in. Perfect. This Captain Coder guy. Wow. Thank you very much for the gift sub. I really appreciate it. I want a right click to be, no, I should use E maybe. To remove things. No. We are, look, code. And art. We are stream and art developing. There is no boostling here. The only boostle happening is on your stream. If that's the case, Captain Coder, you boosted your viewers for the past month. Dang. I had to see the Mega Boostler. That is a really weird shape. It's so kinda aggressive, like the turn. Way too aggressive. We're going to try an office hour Discord stream later today, just to test out the stage option. What is the stage option? Now the sharpness was the curve I was doing. It looked so... The curve itself, like up here, looked a bit too sharp, but I don't know. Maybe this is something. Not the actual colors. Like this, it felt so... aggressive. Maybe this is better. Would this make sense? I am a professional, just so you know. Apparently you can set up a channel that is kind of like voice channel, but you have people on stage. The person running the stage can bring people on and off, and the audience can raise hand to indicate they would like to participate. That sounds really cool. But office hours for you is sleep hours for me, so I can't participate. Fifth 10, new layer, cool. What's the hotkey for bucket tool G? Never mind. Look at this little cloud slime. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm just drawing circles. Or shapes. And then we just do a black eye right there. Perfect. Wait, did... Yeah, that changed the color, okay. Well, quick reference. That is very useful. Thank you very much. Thank you, Roku. I like I'm having the most viewers I've had in a while when I'm drawing a cloud slime. That's just interesting. Something I've never done before. So that's cool. That is way too much brightness in the middle. Like... It should just be the... Something like this. Brightest color along the edges of the curve. You mean which curve? You mean this curve? As in green bean? Yeah, this is a bean now. That is the... Maybe I should rename it from a slime to a bean. It kind of looks like a bean. Did you mean like along here? For a sparkly effect? Similar to this second slime? Oh, you mean... I like this. Kinda cool. But I feel like where it's too much brightness and too little non-brightness. Like, should probably be more around this size. Was it G? Cool. This shape is no good. Almost. We are... Yeah, we're curving up, but we need to get that rounded effect. Well, it's kind of a cloud. Or a bean. I don't know anymore. The problem is, how would we fully curve? The mean green bean? Yeah. For it to be a slime, I kind of need to right. I'm not sure what to call them. Medium. Dark. But like it's to be more but it also looks kind of weird with the shape. You flatten the bottom, yeah. That's what I was doing, yeah. No, that's what I want. That's what I want to remove. On layer. Oh, I need to. Why can I not? Is that the bright layer? Or did I draw on layer 4 here? I did. But now this one is too. Well, it's a bean. A bean slime. The problem now, it's big. Can you make a new frame? Is this how you animate? I should probably have like animated outline instead of filling it up. Cool. I'm not even sure what this is. So would it be weird to do like... Yeah, probably better to do like add some extra shiny up here. If I want extra shiny. Alt N, oh, Shift N for layer and Alt N for frame, cool. Lurking while making lunch. Alright, alright. Thank you for the lurk. No, that's too much. Lurch. But I kind of like the extra shine up there. Okay, so... how do I play the animation? Here we go. Perfect. Look at this animation. Could add some big eyes. What color are slime eyes? Black. I don't know where to add them for them to not look. Look at this. I'm good at this. I promise. Let me... sunglasses, yeah. Every cool slime has sunglasses, you know? I'm googling slime pixel art. I actually think the slime would be better to not have the bean shape up here. But that's just me. And interesting. What if? Let's redo this. Let's can I group this? Group Alt Shift N. Cool. Can I move this in here? Right click, okay. Do what I think is best. Yeah, I'm just going to test things. That's kind of what I'm doing. But if you flatten this out, from the start, then we wait, not what I wanted to do. It's like this. We just make a normal slime to start with. It's so weird when it... Can you mirror in this? Like if I... Frame, edit. Is there a mirror tool? Or should I do this and just do the horizontal? Perfect. Cowabunga. What up, 100? Now it's time for the sunglasses? Yeah, now it's time for the sunglasses. That doesn't even look like sunglasses anymore. That looks like... I don't even know. Let's add in nose as well. Terrible. So what I was thinking instead of that the color, yeah. If we instead have a smaller need to be like this-ish. That's a decent curve. And we kind of just do the same. And, I think this is too bright. I feel like this green is too bright. Probably occupy more space. You mean this one? Yeah. I'm thinking though, can I pick that one? Not liking this color. It's too... the colors don't match for what I'm doing. But yeah, you're right, this should take up more space. I'm not liking how it looks. This curve is too... I don't know. There's an issue right down here. It should be more... maybe if we... that... No, that's too deep. Yeah, something like that, maybe. But it's also really weird with the colors down here. So my question is, would it be better to do this? I think this is a lot better. the wrong layer. Or was it the right layer? I don't know. It's a slime at least. It's something. This doesn't make sense when I have... I kind of need to have this all around. Because else it doesn't make any sense to have reflection there of a light spot. This is a lot better. I liked it when I got the highlights here, it started looking a lot better. What will I be animating? I don't know. I haven't planned that long, or that far. Now, should we give it eyes? And I want that color, but no, that's the one I wanna. Did I change this completely now? Yes, I did. Is it back? It is good. I wanted to change this one to... Can I duplicate the color? There we go. Good. We got a slime. Kinda. How would we animate this? Let's remove this group. Good. So Alt N. So let's grab it all. Can I select all layers? And I would just squish it, but I can't select all layers. Can you... merge layers? Yeah, I think I might actually merge the layers. Control E is not merge. Merge down. Merge down. Thank you, thank you. Look at this, if we just squish it down, it's perfect. The lazy way of animating. Can I move this? I want frame 2 to be 3 and 3. Maybe I'll just do this. What is duplicate? Control. Yeah, alright. See? We're good at this. There's a way to move it if you hover, if you hold idle on the frame. Oh, like this. Ah, cool. Thank you, thank you. I have ideas of how to animate this quickly. We should have I've seen that you can make tags. Idle. Ah. Do you select all of them and make tags? Oh, you can click the tags. Okay. Perfect idle animation, isn't it? You can also close this one. Don't save. How do a slime idle? How do they look when they idle? You probably want to exaggerate the bounciness of the slimes. It would a few pixels below its original height and a few pixels above its original height. Yeah, when it moves. I'm thinking, how doesn't a slime idle? That is probably the biggest question to date. But I also want to kind of move it down on the bottom. Does that make sense? I mean, I'm going to Am I not moving it up? No, it's going down. One, okay. He's a big brain slime. So if we... How many idle animations do you need? I mean, it looks really weird that it's just moving the top of his head. Good, except that I have to fix this. I also might want to... What happens if I move the eyes up one? Perfect idle. Okay, we have an idle animation. But no, it's... I would like to clean this up. But I guess it works for now. Now you could do this and tag them. If I made this, I would then move that over here. I remove that, and we have 3. Yeah. Okay. Move 7 and just have a middle one that just chills there. So for a movement, you would squash. I mean, normally you would kind of draw these and not just squish like I'm doing. That's a lot. You hold Alt for... Yeah, cool. Perfect. Can you also move? Can I play only those? Nice. Let's set it to 15. Look at that. With some cleaning up. That might actually be... I'm kind of amazed that it worked that easily. So let's clean up the frames. A little. Bounce a blob, yeah. Isn't that kind of what a slime is, you know? This one should be there though, and not... No more beans, Dram, no. This part is looking kinda bad. You can see here that it's weird. So I kinda want to switch this over like this. And do the same on the other side. So now we have a better rounded look to it. And then we also have down here, we have some issues. But I think that's good. Or maybe we should... No. Okay. We also lost the eye thingy. This one also needs a bit of a cleanup. Let's see. That's how I want it to be. So it's it's an egg. So first it was a bean, then it was a cloud, now it's an egg. What shape will we have next? I feel like this could be up a little. Too much. Yeah, it's too much. Is the rest kind of good? Yeah. Good enough. I would probably have made this line slightly longer and to not give it such an egg shape. Yeah, kinda. Maybe. I'm not sure anymore. A bit weird. I think that's good. And then we add the shine to these as well a little bit. And then we just add the colors over here. Wrong color. We can add that down here as well. I made it bounce. I'm going to say like Captain Coder. I am no artist. I am a software engineer. No, what do you usually say? Computer scientist. I don't know. But I think this is acceptable. A simpleton, codaton. True. I think this is acceptable for my first slime. If it only had triangle eyes. Do you want triangle eyes? But always welcome, I am Legend. How are you doing? You're doing good? I'm doing great as well. I am making a slime. And Yosan had the amazing idea of the triangle eyes. With the mouth on the side, it looks amazing. Ship it. Oh, this looks like Happy St. Patrick's Day from Ireland. Is that today? March 17th. It is. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This reminds me of Jimmy from South Park when he smiles. I'm not really sure why, but this kind of reminds me of Jimmy's smile. I realized we also need to make an attack. Damn, making art takes way too long. Maybe it's because I'm new to this, but I realize now that this squish down doesn't really squish out to the sides. And I wonder if it would be better if we did that. I just want to try it. I should probably try it on a new layer. Captain Code likes haggis. I've never had it, so I wouldn't know. Work. So we would do this. And remove that one. And I kind of think I do want to do this. And I kind of want to do the same on the other side. So let's try and copy this. I think that was it, right? You two down, and then we should have 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It is Scottish food, but still quite good. Haggis isn't a big thing in Ireland. Is it a big thing in any other place than Scotland? I do not know. So, does this... This looks better, I think. Yeah, it looks a bit better than this. It just gives it a little bit more bounciness. Cool. So now I have idle and I have move. Can I merge these layers now? Because, yeah, merge down. Cool. How do I export this to Unity? There was a new Unity plugin for a sprite that I might try. Let me see if I can find it. It was on this Reddit. Okay, let's see. Let's go to Package Manager and import this. Add package by name. Did I? Oh, it's down there. Why is it over there? Very weird. Unity 2D sprites. So first, help me with this. Save file. Is that how you save it? How do you save this? Or do I just save it in a sprite maybe? Slime. It's called slime. Project, metroidvania, graphics. We have the slime sprite there. Cool. You could export it to a PNG sprite sheet, but here's the thing. A sprite editor. Have I already imported that before? Let me see, so I didn't... We have the sprite importer. So why is it Oh, could be an old plugin still in. From when... Yeah, it's a pretty new sprite plugin. I can link it in chat. Give me 1 second. That was the post about it that I found a month ago. Now I'm just wondering where web graphics. Super tile to Unity. I can remove that because I'm not using tile anymore. Insert importer. Be gone. But what other tool could it be that is being used? Because I know we use the tool in the game jam, but I didn't think that would be still in the project. That's why I removed that. Unless we are... No, these are my editor scripts. This should just be a lot of graphics. It shouldn't be any importer stuff. Is that the one that I just... I don't know. I am, however, going to restart Unity to see if the error fixes itself. No, it still says we have multiple importers. If I remove this... Library script assemblies. Right. Order. And Unity 2D. But let me actually read the page. Okay, first let's see. It looks to me like, okay, let's remove this. And this file. And if I drag the slime sprite in now, will that do anything? A sprite importer. But where is it? It's this one, so it is somewhere. That's the... Oh, there it is. So yeah, okay. Cool. Now I drag the slime in there, but I want to move it to graphics. Enemy. And I want to make a new... Let's do this. Oh, graphics. Let's move all the old graphics in there. And let's play with our slime. Let's see what we're doing now. Import the features. Or is it just imported well now? Can I drag it in? G. Aw, cutie. We have slime, animate, chain controller. We have idle, we have move. Cool. It's just working. Cool. I'm liking this. The jumping animation looks a bit more animated. So cool. We have the slime in. So let's go into slime prefab. And let's drag the slime in here. So now I've... Well, before I start animating the slime in the game, I'm gonna take a short break. And then we'll do the final stretch. Yeah. That is the tiniest slime I've ever seen. Look at this. Down there. Two, is that right? Yeah. Let's grab this guy and just disable the sprite. And then we'll grab the slime. We follow it while I go and take a small stretch break. And I am back. Is it animating too fast? I don't know. Oh, that's probably good. So now we need to move this down 0.5. Yeah, minus 0.5. So now I want to animate this. So the enemy state machine. This blob you have there. Would be a shame if someone stepped into it. Yeah. It's not a big blob, but it's a blob. And it's the first enemy, the first animation I've made in Aspret. I'm kind of happy about that. Okay, so the state machines need to know about, or the state need to set which animation it is. You're a pro pixel artist now, yeah? Does anyone want to hire me? I am here. I am pixel artist. I guess the enemy builds could have the, yeah, I think. Do the enemy builds have a link? No, might as well have it in here. Animator is animator, right? Mechanism. Animator. The animator, get component, it's not. Serialized field, animator. Let's do this to start with, animator. Let's go to the slime enemy. There we have the animator. Now we can go into each state. So let's go to patrol state. When we enter the patrol state, let's do animate data animator that do you do crossfade or do you do like play? No. Then on exit, I don't do anything because each state should handle itself. Enemy patrol, no, enemy idle state. On enter, this will play idle. Now I also need to flip the sprite. Unity. Something happened with Unity, not sure what. I'm going to remove that slime there. Let's find that slime. So this slime enemy. On the slime, I can flip X. I feel like that looks kind of weird. I feel like the eyes should be the only thing that changes, but oh well. Else the shading should be different at the bottom. So we need a way to flip the sprite renderer as well. I wonder if I should make an animator, like enemy animator. Go to state machine. Enemy animator. Let's make it enemy animator. And it should be moved to the namespace, and this one should have the animator. And then we do a public set animation. With animation, we do animator play animator, and not animator animation. Oh. Now we should also have the void set flip X, full flip X, and we need a link to the sprite renderer. And now when we have all of this, first let's add it to the slime enemy. It's the weirdest thing when I save. Now Unity is doing a real long loading thing. Oh, it's doing some kind of import. Let's do this. I'm not going to press Ctrl R because I want to see the errors. Could be because I removed the tiled thingies. I didn't understand this. Let's drag the console up here. Let's clear it. I'm going to save. Then I'm going to be ready with a screenshot so I can see what it is. Oh, it's going through all my scenes. Why? What is going to... missed it. Whenever I update, it's loading all my scenes. It's going through literally every scene. So let's make this easier. Let's remove all the levels. All the cap tests. And level template is not mine. Sample scene is nothing. Test scene is nothing. Do I have here? Oh, okay, I can remove these as well. Oh, it's going through. Don't tell me the new A sprite thing is doing that. We'll go to slime graphics, slime. Generate, advanced, all good. Platform settings, all good. Texture, clamp. This is the weirdest thing. I'm going to do this. I need to remove this. To see if it's the Unity plugin doing it, because yeah, I know. Missing stuff. But now I reloaded it out of habit. Yep. Yeah, here we go. 2D. Spread. Let's see what it was. Unity 2D, yeah. Unity 2D is right. And now if I change code, go in there, it's going to reload. Yep. Let's see if there's any setting to change this, because that is just terrible. Nothing in here. Right, library editor. Tools, nothing in tools. Preferences, a sprite importer. Background import, I can't change it. Oh, I was so hyped for this, but now it's kinda it's really bad if you can't even change any script. Like, can I change these? No, I can't. I really do not understand how they could. Or am I missing something? Is it because I'm not using assembly definitions? Or is it because the sprite is on the enemy and I'm changing enemy things? Let's try another one. Custom collision calculation. No. Rip in pieces. Also rip Firebot. Can't see any users. Cool. So how? Need to look through the is there anything about no. What if? There is no other version, I think, is there? It should be. But let's go to documentation and see. There is a scripted importer for this one. In Sprite and Ace. Would it be possible to change version by doing like the 2D Sprite and do 1.0.3.1? And see if this one is better. Let's change something in code. Nope. I mean, or, oh, could it? Where's that? The important things, it's not in project settings, it should be in preferences. General, recompile. After finish playing, but it should also not be where is the auto refresh? Thought that would be in there. Reaction mode, no. On stamp, edit to log energy, I kinda want that. Is the auto refresh in here? Allow autosave, yeah. Nope. Nope. Increase to 16. This is just player settings, it should not affect what I'm doing. It's so weird, it feels like I've lost settings. Or no, it's in S. Auto refresh disabled, yeah. It shouldn't happen, so let's enable that and disable again just because. Import worker count %. Switch all the default values in the unit to set desired work count for new project. To do this, the desired worker process control in the project setting window. Number imported process, yeah. There are more worker process than this. Unity shuts down import workers that have been idle, yeah. might see an improvement in performance by increasing this value if you're frequently iterating on model, animation, and texture work. Well, it is going to be quite annoying. Not that. I mean, it's like playing with... It's like having auto refresh on. Okay, let's get back to actually animating the thing. We have the enemy animator, and I want to go to the slime enemy. We want to open up the prefab and do the enemy animator. The slime render is on there. Slime render, sprite render. Alright. And then in live enemy state machine data, enemy state data, we have the enemy animator. Animation. Okay, so then also in patrol, here we are setting the facing direction. Then if I do the animator set flip X to be data facing direction to no, that's already an integer. To I don't have that here. Can I not past it now? If it's larger than 0, then well, that's if it's lower than 0, then full flip. That kind of makes sense. Did I save it? Did it reload? Think so. It did not. Yeah, this should not be animator. Let's remove that. Component enemy animator. It is tiny. Is 16 better? Is that what it should be? Bouncy blob. I like it. You feel bouncy blob in the game, you won't buy it. No. This doesn't change. What if I tinted it slightly? I can say red, but I can't really do it red because then it's going to be really dark. I do it like that. Oh. No, I can't kill it. It's invincible. I better hide. I can't kill it because it doesn't have any health currently. Good. But I'm liking it. Invincible blob. Yep. I'm quite happy with this for being as bad as I am at art. It's kinda cool. I'm not sure what to do now. Maybe I should... I can't make it so you can kill the blob because Graham won't like me if I do. And he won't buy my game. Boycott the game. I need to figure out how to do the pixel perfect camera with the StateMachine, and yeah. Because there's a problem when you enable pixel perfect camera, then it pixel perfect. But the confiner doesn't work properly. You should have farming tools models now. Well, you better make something. So let's add the jumping animation to the chase as well. These two I want. So we have the enemy chase, target state. You will. You'll make asset to show you the models. Yeah, good. Okay, so we got the chase done. Now I need to make an attack animation, I guess. And I think I'm going to do it the same way as I did the... That is the one I want to copy. Why would it put it... Oh, it puts it before it. Okay. Going to 13. Okay. And let me disconnect from chat and connect again. In the Firebot. I'm not sure what happened there. Nope, still can't see users. Oh well. So I'm thinking, förhoppningsvis a mustache. I don't know how to make a mustache. It doesn't look like a mouth. Oh, it's usually turned the other way, a mustache. Yeah. Oh, that just makes it look really angry. Did I have it like this when it's attacking? Should it get eyebrows when attacking? We're making the eyes turn inwards as well. I was trying, but I couldn't figure out how. Like this, maybe? That works. Like this. That looks kind of angry. Would that be angry enough? Should we add a bright right, red? Evil triangles, yeah. I don't think red worked at all. So my firebot stopped working, so I'm going to turn it off. Let's disconnect it and restart it. Now I can see users again. Test. Cool, it works. But is triangle eyes good? Slime jam? You mean this? What is, you mean, I don't know, colors? Or do you mean like aqua? Working perfectly? So like this, you mean? Then I probably would have need another shape like this, maybe. Yeah, there's too little contrast, yeah. This is the problem I'm having. I keep changing the color here. I shouldn't, because this is the color. Yeah. I mean, red always works. No, no. Well, I could accept red. Unless we want to go purple. No, I don't feel like this is going anywhere, and I got rid of this one. I wish that my color picker would change the color here, or no. Not really. We have that color now. I don't know how to make angry eyes. I guess this looks kinda angry compared to before. With 5 pixels you don't have much room now. Just keep adding. Perfect. That's wiser, yeah. Maybe it doesn't have to look that angry. Compared to before, I think that is actually that looks really happy. Also, those colors are different. Maybe we can... Now it looks angry at least. I don't know. Alright, Captain Coder, thank you for hanging out, for chilling, for lurking. Hope you'll have a wonderful office hours stage thingy. Good luck with that. Hope you have a wonderful day. Maybe I should keep the eyes like this. And add the... Just add the eyebrows. Thank you for the clap. Thank you for all the claps. I do it like this. Attack. And this one would push it this way. Let's just squish it to the side first, like this. Move it up a little bit. Then on the next frame, we would move it, squish it out a little bit like this. And in a bit more. A bit more. It's not what I wanted to press. copy this, I'll paste it. I can drag this whole thing over here. I just wanted to have this a little bit squished. Now we'll copy another one of these, and it should be 15. You guys redeemed so many claps, I couldn't even... Two. Wonder if there's a way to circumvent the US you could spam faster. Point Reeves, you could probably do it through a script, I guess. I just want to play this. No? Because it doesn't go to 22. That doesn't really look that powerful. So let's squish this even further down like this. See if it's... Bugging against the closed door. But then again, it's the first enemy. What up, Kage? How are you doing? Are you enjoying my beautiful art? Good slime. You should see it bounce. Super cute. Let's clean it up a little bit. Can't do it like this. We need that. When you, is it possible to detach this panel? I would kind of like to have it here instead. It's so far to go up here. Am I excited to make the #1 ranked Ludum Dare game? I am. With me on art, you will never have to worry. Good theme, yep. Next LD is end of April. And we are participating. And with we, it's me, Kage. Let me check. Kepser. Where's the channel? It's stuff. Frozen, and then we have people I haven't heard about before. Jersey? Lunary and Mirando. Mirando was in last. Team getting bigger? Yeah, apparently we are bigger now. I don't know, Kepsert is the lead and he just invites people and I go along with it. I don't know what to... I don't want to lead the team. I'm fine with it though. I don't think it's always going to be just wanted to do at least one big group event. Well, obviously teams of 3. And we're all really good at what we do, so yeah. I just hope that this time that Mirando can deliver audio before Sunday evening. Or Monday evening, I guess it is. It was a bit tight last time. Or very tight. We got the sound effects like 6 or 7 p.m. on Monday evening. Well, p.m. is evening. So not only did we have problems with some systems that didn't work in WebGL, but we had to throw that in as well. We did get the music earlier though, but there was so much to do in the end, as it usually is. But yeah, that was a bit stressful. I set a deadline for all this stuff in. Yeah, we really need, because the last few hours, like, sure you want to perfect your audio, but the last few hours is so much more important to have the work on other things. Like making sure builds work and everything. Should I maybe try and move this down here? Yeah, that works. But it's 10 p.m. I gotta head out. It's really fun working on art and just talking to people, so I might do this again. even though I'm really bad at it. But it's fun. Slime Jam. So I'm gonna see if there's anyone to raid. Thank you all for hanging out. Don't forget to join my Discord if you feel like being in a Discord. And I don't know, Stream Elements have left my stream. I don't know why. I can enable this, I think. I do have a Discord. Doesn't work. Discord? That worked. Yeah, so I will be back tomorrow at 11 AM, my normal time. I think the schedule in my bio will is correct. It should be. Yeah, that's about it. I also upload all the VODs to a YouTube channel. But since Stream Elements isn't here, I don't have the command, so... Oh well. Do anyone have a suggestion for someone to raid? Or should we maybe raid Simple Game Dev? We could do that. Simple Game Dev. So thanks for watching. It was fun. Tomorrow we'll continue with the slime then. Oh, I can hear myself. Yeah, see you tomorrow. We'll continue with enemies. Maybe another enemy after the slime. Who knows? Magic. Have a good one. Bye bye.